The harvesting machines move with precision, their vibrating heads gathering the deep blueberries.
The harvested wild blueberries are immediately brought to the mobile sorting platform. Here, vibrating screens separate the berries from
Millions of freshly cleaned wild blueberries cascade into ready for sealing. This continuous
Maintaining the cold chain is paramount. Here, the wild blueberry juice is quickly transferred into the refrigerated trucks.
From the moment they are harvested, maintaining the cold chain is critical. This specialized transport system ensures the berries remain fresh. Here at the factory intake dock, precision and speed are essential to process the incoming harvest of wild blueberries.
Here at the intake line, robotic precision ensures that every crate of wild blueberries is smoothly transferred.
The berries enter the initial washing tunnel, where high-pressure water jets remove debris under the watchful eye of the quality control team. The blueberries are agitated by millions of tiny air bubbles, lifting away any impurities in this state-of-the-art cleaning tank. The wild blueberries move steadily along the conveyor, entering the drying system, where powerful air jets remove excess moisture.
Our optical sorter scans thousands of berries per second using advanced cameras and bright LEDs.
The wild blueberries enter the grading system, where calibrated rollers gently separate them by size.
The final quality inspection line is where our commitment to excellence is realized. Here, every wild blueberry.
The berries are continuously fed into the automated scales, ensuring every batch meets the exact specifications before moving on to processing.
This is the transfer to the crushing line. The perfectly ripe berries advance in continuous waves, soon to be
The heart of the operation, massive steel rollers pressing the wild blueberries into a rich pulp, capturing every drop of that deep purple juice. Using state-of-the-art hydraulic presses, the wild blueberry pulp is compressed, extracting the rich, vibrant juice which then cascades into the holding tanks. Inside the separation unit, spinning filters remove the solids. The clarified juice then flows directly into these holding tanks. The extracted wild blueberry juice cascades into the collection tanks, where high-tech sensors meticulously monitor the levels of the deep purple liquid. The initial filtration stage is crucial. As the wild blueberry juice passes through these fine membranes, impurities are
The raw blueberry juice enters the filtration chambers, where layered membrane filters separate the impurities.
This is the centrifugal clarification system, spinning wild blueberry juice at high speeds to separate fine particles.
Here in the enzyme treatment tank, natural enzymes are introduced to the wild blueberry juice to improve clarity and stability.
This is the heart of the operation, where wild blueberry juice is stabilized. Precise temperatures and continuous circulation.
Here at the blending station, natural sweeteners and flavors are precisely injected into the wild blueberry juice.
Inside the homogenizer, high-pressure valves refine the wild blueberry juice. This rhythmic process ensures
This is the pasteurization heat tunnel. The juice flows rapidly through these glowing tubes, where controlled heat eliminates bacteria while preserving flavor.
The pasteurized juice enters the rapid cooling system, dropping to near freezing temperatures almost instantly, preserving the fresh taste of the wild blueberries.
In the final stages, our quality lab ensures every batch of wild blueberry juice meets the highest standards for purity and flavor.
Here in the sterile zone, the finished wild blueberry juice is carefully transferred to the filling tanks.
Before filling, every bottle undergoes a rigorous sterilization process using superheated steam. A critical
precision engineering ensures a continuous flow. The bottles, sterilized and gleaming, are synchronized perfectly before entering the high-speed filling line.
Utilizing state-of-the-art machinery, the vibrant wild blueberry juice is precisely dispensed into sterile bottles.
Welcome to the wild blueberry juice plant. Here, precise sensors adjust the liquid levels, ensuring every bottle is perfectly filled while the foam settles.
Here at the capping station, high-speed automation ensures that our freshly pressed wild blueberry juice is sealed tight and ready for shipment.
Here at the wild blueberry juice plant, efficiency is key. These high-speed sealing heads cap hundreds of bottles every minute.
Once filled, the bottles enter the cleaning station, where high-pressure water jets remove any residue, ensuring every bottle meets our strict quality standards.
After filling, the bottles enter the drying air tunnel, where high-speed jets rapidly evaporate any remaining moisture before labeling.
As the bottles of vibrant wild blueberry juice move through the line, the specialized machinery applies the labels with speed and precision. Here at the coating station, precision is paramount. laser printers apply barcodes and batch numbers.
Inside the state-of-the-art facility, mechanical guides precisely adjust the spacing, aligning the bottles into perfect rows on the synchronized conveyors.
This high-speed shrink wrapper applies a precise film around the grouped bottles before entering the heat tunnel.
Inside the heat tunnel, controlled warm air currents cause the plastic film to shrink uniformly around the blueberry juice packs.
Here in scene 44, the fully automated assembly line rapidly transforms flat sheets into cartons, showcasing the precision of modern food production.
The automated packing station ensures that every bottle of our wild blueberry juice is securely bundled and ready for shipment.
Utilizing advanced adhesive and tape application, the sealing arms secure the wild blueberry juice cartons, reflecting the high efficiency of the production line. This is the dispatch zone, the final stop before our wild blueberry juice is shipped across the country. Efficiency is key here. Coordinating the timing of these shipments requires precision, ensuring our wild blueberry juice reaches markets around the globe.
Once loaded, the insulated doors are sealed tight. This activates the cooling system, ensuring the wild blueberries.
The departure sequence is a symphony of logistics. As the gates open, the day's first shipment of wild blueberries.
Maintaining the cold chain is critical. These cooling units ensure the juice arrives perfectly fresh.
Welcome to the heart of the operation. As you can see, the moment the wild blueberry shipments arrive, they are immediately sorted and prepared for distribution.
Advanced multi-layer carton sealing. The reinforced cartons glide through this high-speed corridor as adhesive bonds instantly. The structural reinforcement phase is critical. Automated arms apply rigid plastic corner protectors.
Here in the palletizing zone, the robotic arms utilize optimized layer patterns, ensuring every carton of wild.
This state-of-the-art stretch wrapping system ensures every pallet of wild blueberry juice is secured for transport.
The automated QC line ensures continuous motion and precise weight verification. Once the digital system confirms load,
every pallet is tagged with a tracking device, monitored in real time to guarantee optimal temperature control.
Inside the blast cooling chamber, temperatures plummet to ensure the wild blueberry juice is perfectly preserved. This is the critical deep cold stabilization phase. By rapidly lowering the temperature, we lock in the flavor and nutrients of the wild blueberries.
Here in the cold storage, precision is everything. The reach truck carefully lifts the wild blueberry juice pallets high into the racks.
Welcome to the future of logistics. Here in the smart warehouse, robotic cranes precisely manage the
order fulfillment line is a marvel of engineering, ensuring that our wild blueberry juice reaches you fresh and fast.
Utilizing advanced robotics, we consolidate the cartons, ensuring they are tightly wrapped and ready for their journey across the globe.
The logistics here at the wild blueberry plant are a symphony of precision, as forklifts carefully move the nostrils. Once the pallets of wild blueberry juice reach the loading bay, they are carefully maneuvered into the refrigerated containers. The locking mechanisms are engaged under the bright LED lights. The app of the security tag ensures this shipment of wild blueberry. A key stage in the supply chain, this convoy of wild blueberry juice begins the short haul to the port, relying. Day and night, the rhythm of the port continues. Cranes hoist the specialized blue containers. From the plant to your glass, the global logistics route relies on the steady movement of massive container ships like this one.
Here at the destination port, the containers of wild blueberry juice are seamlessly transferred from the docks
on to the heart of the operation. As you can see, the moment the wild blueberry juice shipments arrive, they are immediately sorted and prepared for distribution.
In this highly automated facility, our wild blueberry juice is rapidly sorted and dispatched.
Here at the wild blueberry juice plant, efficiency is key. Our logistics team ensures every carton reaches its destination on.
A key part of the distribution network is the careful scheduling that gets the juice from the plant to the city streets efficiently.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures that only the freshest wild blueberry juice reaches the shelves.
The shelf stocking system is a marvel of modern logistics, ensuring fresh wild blueberry juice reaches the consumer.
Our wild blueberry juice is kept perfectly chilled, ensuring maximum freshness from the plant to your glass.
A spotlight on nature's finest. Our wild blueberry juice captures the vibrant essence of the harvest in stunning detail.
Here at the Wild Blueberry Juice Plant, we ensure every bottle meets the highest standards before it reaches your hands.
Utilizing advanced LED technology, the high-speed scanners meticulously check each bottle of wild blueberry juice moving along the conveyor. The final stage of the process ensures every bottle of our wild blueberry juice is packed with the utmost care for our waiting customers.
Bringing the vibrant taste of the wild directly to your modern kitchen counter. It's the perfect blend of nature and design.
Here in the heart of the plant, we ensure every bottle of our wild blueberry juice is sealed for peak freshness.
Sourced from the finest wild blueberries, this deep purple elixir is carefully bottled, preserving its rich flavor and nutrients. This macro view highlights the rich color and perfect viscosity of our wild blueberry juice, a testament to its quality. There is nothing quite like the crisp, refreshing taste of the very first sip. It captures the essence of the wild blueberry. It's this dedication to the process that captures the true essence of the wild blueberry, delivering a taste that is both pure and refreshing.
Sourced from the finest berries, our juice brings families together.
Cheers to health.
Experience the pure goodness of wild blueberries, carefully crafted to fuel your healthy, active life.
Here at the Wild Blueberry Juice Plant, we believe in harnessing the pure taste of nature.
The powerful antioxidants in wild blueberries merit the perfect post-workout recovery drink for athletes of all ages.
Inside every bottle of our wild blueberry juice, you'll find the crisp, refreshing taste of nature, kept perfectly chilled for your enjoyment.
Starting the day right means fueling your body with the best nature has to offer. That's why we begin every morning here with the goodness of wild blueberries. Sourced from the finest wild blueberries, our juice undergoes a meticulous process, captured here in stunning 4K detail. Sourced